Hey lovies, welcome back and thank you so much for being here. Today I'm tackling the bedroom and bathroom. I will be taking everything out of the bathroom and I'm doing a full-on scrub of everything in the bathroom. I'll also be changing the sheets, vacuuming and wiping down everything in the bedroom. Again, thank you so much for being here and let's tackle our messes together.
And I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours.
I want to take a moment to thank Fitville for sponsoring this portion of today's video. I've worked with them in the past last year and I'm so excited about partnering with them again to tell you guys about this shoes. It is extremely comfortable, as you'll see later on in the video, or you might have already seen that I've worked in the video. So I have tested out before. It is extremely comfortable. I chose this one because blue is my favorite color and it's just adorable. I'm gonna leave a link to the product in the description box so you can go ahead and check them out and shop their website. Tons of options to choose from for both men and women. This specific one is their women's stride core running shoes. You have the care instructions included on the tag.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out,
are new here, let me just take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Terisha. I'm a stay-at-home mom of two beautiful little girls. I have a 5-year-old and a 2-year-old. On this channel you can find tons of cleaning motivation, and I also love to go browsing and shop, so I've included that in my segment now. So I upload 3 videos a week. On Saturdays you can definitely look forward to a cleaning motivation video, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every Saturday. And on Tuesdays at 2 p.m. or 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'll upload a shop with me video. And on Thursday, it'll be a bonus video of either or. If you guys enjoy this content and want to see more, please do consider subscribing. Share this video with a friend who might need some motivation also, and give this video a thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm and let me know that you guys enjoy this content and want to see more. Thank you so much for being here. Love you guys and appreciate you.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
If you guys made it this far, thank you so much for sticking with me. Please do consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. Until next time, guys, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous year. I will see you in my next one. Love y'all, and thank you so much for being here.